Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to get this kind of shadowbox 3D effect that I have along the lines in this image that kind of make the separate parts of the image kind of pop out, and if you stare at it, it kind of looks 3D, do that 3D effect. So I'm going to do it with another image that I have up here. So I have this image, it doesn't have those shadows on it. So I'm going to go to my layers, and you'll see these lines, or the frame is all that's on a separate layer. So I'm going to add a layer to that, and I'm going to grab black. You can use whatever color it is you want for that shadow, and this layer is underneath the lines. And now wherever I want this effect to go, I want my brush to be the right size, I'm just going to draw the lines. So I'm going to do it on the left side and the bottom side of this shadow, of this line. Now this is very similar to the technique I use to do a drop shadow in a previous video. You can follow that link in the description or in the top of the video right now. So I'm going to use Gaussian blur. So I'm going to go to the effects menu, pick Gaussian blur and layer, and I'm going to blur that layer. Now if I was just doing a drop shadow, I would blur it a little bit, but I want to really blur it a lot so it's almost out of existence. And you can see it starts making, especially in that middle section, it's making those lines kind of pop, and the lines are starting to separate. Now you can do this as many times as you need to get the look that you want. So I'm just going to hit it one more time. Again, more than a drop shadow, so I'm really going to blur it. But you don't want to overdo it so it disappears. You want to do it just enough so you can get that 3D look and really make your image start to pop. And you might want to just do it different parts. You may even want to add another layer and do a second layer right on top so that you're not really re-blurring the first effect. So I'm going to blur this again. And I'm going to erase it actually on the right side where it kind of blurred too much. But there you go. Quick way to get that 3D look on your images. And I'm just going to blur that one more time to fuzz the eraser mark. And there you go. For more tutorials like this, be sure to subscribe. Thanks for liking, ringing that bell. Any comments are appreciated, and I'll see you next time.